Hi everyone, today we are going to be making Chiles Toreados, a very popular Mexican side dish perfect for grilled meats like carne asada, tacos, or a simple dish like refried beans or frijoles de la olla. First and foremost, those ingredients have to be completely dry because they're gonna be pan fried, and you know water and oil do not mix. Sometimes what'll happen is they'll grab moisture from the refrigerator or when you clean them, so just please make sure everything is dry as a bone. Are bones dry? You know what I mean, really dry. The main ingredient here is going to be peppers. There's a couple of options. Jalapeños, serranos, you could even do, if you want habaneros, but that's just gonna be really spicy. In my case, I'm also gonna be using some Chiles de Arbol, which really boost the recipe. We've got 6 garlic cloves for a little bit of that nuttiness, some spring onions. I've already removed the stem, so it originally looks like this, and all I did was cut the green part, reserve it because you can make plenty of dishes with this part right here, and cutting them in half. I'm gonna place a large cast iron over a medium heat, drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Oil is hot. We're gonna cook all of these ingredients separately because they're gonna be done in different timing. First, it's gonna be those 6 garlic cloves. Just stir them around. What we're looking here is for them to get this beautiful brown color all around. While the garlics are going at it, also add 12 Chiles de Arbol. Now keep an eye on those Chiles de Arbol because they're gonna be done a lot faster. I'd say probably about 20 to 30 seconds, just until they become fragrant. Do not let them burn. Ooh, I can smell those Chiles de Arbol. Get them out. Now add 8 jalapeños. Just stir them as needed. Fry them until they blister, soften, and char on all sides. It might get a little loud in the kitchen, but feel free to lower the heat at any point. I'm gonna turn this off because I want to show you how these peppers are looking, and they're a little loud. But look, they've got this beautiful charred color all around. I can tell they've softened. And for jalapeños, it's gonna take longer, especially if they're this big, than serranos because serranos are smaller. That oil has come through and added a beautiful gloss. They're coming off the skillet. If you're having a carne asada, you have got to make Chiles Toreados. Last but not least, 10 spring onions. If you cannot find spring onions, you can do white onion. Just make sure you cut them into thick slices. Toss them around so that you get this gorgeous brown color all around, and also they get cooked through, but I do like to leave them slightly undercooked for that delightful crunch. These onions almost steal the show because they're so fragrant, but there's so much goodness going on in here that it's a hard one. It is a hard one. Okay, these are perfectly cooked. Like I said, I like a little bit of a crunch. But look at that brown color, which equals flavor. They're ready to come out. Let's finish this off with a touch of lime juice. You can do 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go with 2. Salt to taste. And toss everything to combine. I am loving this, especially those Chiles de Arbol in there. They don't just give us a pop of color, but also just different tones of spiciness. I'm just gonna taste one. So good, you guys. I'm already digging into this. And since jalapenos are mild in heat, I am gonna have one, you guys, because we were just tasting the onions and Elsa was like, oh, this could be a snack. I think it could totally be a snack. These are a little spicy than usual. But oh my goodness, look at how soft these are. The jalapeno is gonna be so good with some refried beans. Those onions and Elsa, even the chiles are so good.
Oh, wow.
Try a pepper. Wow.
Oh, this one's not spicy.
It's not. This one is.
Wow.
It is spicy.
No, it's not.
Good for you.
This is like a regular bell pepper.
But doesn't that lime juice just add so much flavor?
Yeah.
It's so fresh, so delicious. Don't forget that the full printable recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to be pairing these with. All right, everyone. Until the next one. Bye.